How long before you can walk on grass seed? Seeding is an inexpensive method of lawn establishment, and proper maintenance ensures successful growth. Depending on the type of grass, the best times for seeding are spring, summer or fall. Before you seed your lawn, prepare the seedbed by tilling and leveling the soil. Features: spread grass seeds evenly onto the prepared soil, and rake the seed into the soil. Roll the seeded soil and add mulch to improve seed-to-soil contact, prevent erosion and preserve moisture. Provide enough water to keep the soil moist but not saturated. Time frame: avoid walking or playing on a newly seeded area until you have mowed the grass 3 or 4 times. According to the Virginia Cooperative Extension, you can mow the grass when it is 1/3 taller than the desired height. The grass is fully mature and tolerant of traffic after 2 growing seasons. Considerations: to avoid seed loss and soil erosion, do not overwater the seeded area. According to the University of Florida Extension, you should apply herbicides to weeds only after you have mowed the grass 3 times.